Hello viewers, my name is Kachumbari. Welcome to Grace TV. Today we are going to be showcasing the clubs that happen in Kijani Grace School. First we have the Home Science Club where they cook and also clean. Second we have the Art and Craft Club where they draw and paint. Lastly we have the Journalism Club where they report the news and the activities that are going to be happening during the week. Welcome.
Go for you.
Outra.